Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we have the fall clean and decorate with me. I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope it gets you motivated and inspired to maybe start cleaning and decorating for fall. So right now all I'm doing is I'm going to wipe down the counters really well and get everything clean so we can start going through the decor. Have any of y'all started decorating for fall? Let me know down in the comments. Do you do it big? Do you do just a little? I feel like this year it was very mild for me, although I do still have a lot of DIY projects I want to get done. They do usually have this garland at Hobby Lobby. As always, you can get it 40% off. It's very inexpensive and it has the blues in it that I need to kind of bring in the oranges and other tones into the house, because the house is a bluish gray kind of tint. So I usually try to put a little blue when it comes to fall. So anyway, that's why I really like these. I had originally got them to use them in a fall tree. I still might do a fall tree. I'm just not sure if I'm going to have time this year. The fall decorating came very late because of my accident and other things going on. So I'm not sure if I'll do the fall tree this year, but we will definitely do it next year, and we will definitely start painting some of the ornaments and stuff that I got for the tree. But right now I'm just going to start putting some of this decor out here on the counter. I love the way that turned out. And now I'm going to make the centerpiece for the island as well. So let me know down in the comments as well. Do you like a neutral fall decor, or do you like the bright colors, the oranges, and all the different tones for fall? Which one do you prefer? I like both, but honestly, in our home, I do like to bring the colors in. I couldn't see myself just going totally neutral, even though I think it's absolutely gorgeous in some people's homes. I do like that traditional pop of color when it comes to fall and Christmas as well. So let me know down in the comments, what do y'all prefer? So I do usually keep it simple up here on top of the fridge. I am just putting a few things that, one of those things, the plate I got from the thrift store, and the other things, that wheat, I've had those for years and years. So I'm just putting those up there just to bring something up there with some color. And now I'm just putting some garland around the corner of my window. I still kind of want to put a sign over my window as well, just because there's a large blank space up there. I also got this little truck when we were in North Dakota at a thrift store. My mother-in-law found this little blue one and a red one, and I thought they'd be so cute just for this, to put little pumpkins or Christmas trees in. So definitely had to do that this year. And then my mother-in-law also made this gnome that I'm hanging on the door over here in the pantry. That is so, so cute. So very precious. I will show y'all all of the afters in the end and show y'all how everything looks up close. want to do something different with this area with the faux bricks here. I would like to paint or do something here, maybe paint some bricks. I don't know, just something that looks more realistic, but that'll be in the future. We're also talking about doing stuff with the wall back there with the door and the window on it. I'm looking at different wallpapers and stuff like that. So just different things we can do. And actually today my husband is putting in some ghost shelves and stuff for me in the living room. So this all might change just a little bit. As far as the decor goes, I'm not quite sure yet, but I wanted to keep this area pretty simple as well. So now I'm going to wipe down the table in here and go ahead and decorate it. I am really considering painting the bottom of these tables black and resanding the top and restaining that. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Should I go with black tables or should I leave them white? It's just that the white is extremely hard to keep clean, especially with the boys in and out of the house. So let me know what you think. Should I paint them black? Do you think it would be too much? Or I don't know what to do with them. Let me know down in the comments. Give me some advice. I just ordered these pillows from Temu. I don't know if I actually love them. There's a couple like the Hello Pumpkin on the chair that I really like. I also like the other orange ones. The ones with the pumpkin with the yellow and the leaf with the yellows, they were a little too bright, not the exact tones I was looking for, but I decided to keep them this year because next year I am hoping to have an outside setup. I want a nice chill place outside set up for us next year around this time. So I'm thinking about keeping those throw pillow covers just for that. But let me know what you think. I'm going to go ahead and decorate this centerpiece now. I love the way the living room turned out this year. As y'all can see, I put a new couch cover on just to bring in the oranges and stuff. And I still have the blues in the house, of course. I always will, but I like to make it more neutral when I'm starting to decorate with a lot of colors. So for fall and Christmas, the couch and the chair are definitely going to be this ivory white. I'm also going to decorate the dining room table. I am doing this as simple as possible because we use this table so much. In the past, I have over decorated it and it just becomes a huge mess. So this year, I am just going to put one piece on it. Well, I put two pieces together. It's a candle holder, and then I wrapped a garland in and out of it and put some candles on it. That's all I'm going to do because, like I said, we use this table for everything.
The way you spend your days, but there are ways, and all you need is the one sensation to get you on your feet. And all that I see is a lame temptation stapled on the road to
bags I had shown in another video. They are all part of DIYs that we're going to be doing this year. So now I'm just going to run the vacuum in here really quick.
closer to you. I wanna get closer to you. Yeah.
just gonna run the steam mop. Y'all know I get a lot of comments on this steam mop. I always have it linked in my Amazon store below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope it got y'all ready for fall. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Stay to the end so I can show y'all how everything turned out. Love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.